What up, good people? I've been messing around in the garage because it's a rainy day again, and so just messing around. I did get some new Hypex pipes and they were on sale, so I have to have them because I really like these pipes. It's the 2135, the Evo 2 with the HD coating, and the 2108. And yeah, I have these pipes already. And I really love them. And this is the gray one with the gray coating. So yeah, I saw these guys and I simply have to have them. And yeah, I was messing around. I did do my new body, and at some point I messed it up and had to use these mirror effect foil to cover it up. And after I did the new body, I did repair the cracked one with armed aluminium tape on the inside, and some cracks I did on the outside with this foil. Sprayed it with fluorescent yellow and sticked it on there, and it turned out pretty good. So, and it actually changes of color a bit. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but so it's pretty awesome. And this is what I did with the new wing. Really awesome too, with water transfer printing. So hopefully this body will last a bit longer now. Really like it. And yeah, let me put on the new body. Just a sec. Yep, it's on. And it is really yellow. And if I can see it now on the track, then it is definitely my eyes, and I need some glasses, because this is really bright. And I think my experiment turned out pretty awesome. So I just printed out a photo and glued it on the inside of the body, and then worked around it. So got the 2135 Evo 2 on here, and I'm pretty much stuck with it. Turned out really good. And yeah, this is where I made the cover up. So this is the foil. It was pretty terrible underneath there, but yeah, turned out really good. Absolutely like it. especially this. That's really awesome. So yeah, good to do on the rainy days. I did run the truggy at the track, and I absolutely love these Schumacher spirals. Still need to clean it. So really good. Got some stuff on order for the X-ray, and I also ordered another nitro engine, so I can't wait until it gets here. So yeah, messing around. I think that's it for today, guys, and talk to you later.